Hola, beautiful beings, bienvenido. Take your pause, your rest, your care. Receive joy, pleasure, everywhere. Okay, get some of that. So I'm going to go in on an aspect that I feel like is missing from community engagement that I'm interacting in. And that's network building, which I think is a little bit like relationship building, but maybe like an aspect of relationship building that is networking building. Forming, sustaining our web of connection, of connectability. I would say in a lot of ways in which like it can be business oriented, like we're the Afro-owned businesses, and getting together and knowing where those are, and right, getting together and knowing what's going on in your community. And so this is kind of specifically from my work as like going out into the community, and there's like hubs. It's like, oh, all these different communities are meeting up together. But then we don't really talk about our communities, what our needs are, and how to move forward. So that's something that I would like to have more of, and for people to become aware that there's a need for that. We need to come together, establish connection, know about each other, know our needs and skills so that we can, trade. Preparedness video, go check that out. But also, preparedness, decentralizing money, but just like the weaving, the interwovenness is strength. If you think of like a fiber. I know. I'm like, maybe I'm not as articulate as I think I am. Because lately on these videos, I'm kind of like fluttering. Any of those probably apply. Thankfully, the heater just popped on. Right? My preparedness video ain't gonna have no heater. But I'm bundled up. I have the privilege of living with old growth trees, or just like larger trees who are shading me as we go into fall. Ooh. So in these spaces, you're telling your story a little bit, giving an introduction of yourself, right? It's the story of your community, or the business, the Afro-owned business, the space we need, the place we're boycotting, right? We can do all of these things. We're boycotting Netflix. We're doing all these things to, I guess I'm calling it hope building. Okay, I'll be back.